was glorious. Broad bat of Sachin Tendulkar in the straight drive.
And again, this is just sensational to watch.
Makes it look really easy by Brazil.
Oh, that's gone. Up in 6.
Room nothing. Second dill scoop. आज भी देखने को मजा आ रहा है.
Oh, you called it, Kev. Fetch it.
Oh, what skill, talent, amazing. Unbelievable, that's not a reverse sweep.
That's another six. Short wide.
More than 2 sixes to date for Maxwell.
Oh, reverse.
Oh, the series, don't worry about that. Ridiculous shot.
Kohli goes down the ground. Kohli goes out of the ground. Wow. This is a sensational hit from Virat Kohli.
And he's hit it big with almost a straight bat.
Last ball. Full toss, no look. No look, six. What a shots, we've seen him play that before. That's a beauty from the skipper. That has gone a long way. 15 off the over, it's a big one. 18 gone, 140 for 7.
Well, down the wicket it goes. This is high in the air. That's going all the way. Don't worry about chasing that one. Oh, a biggie. On to the roof. Short again and bigger this time. Chris Gale goes into the second deck. 2 in a row.
Drop crowd catch. I told them to be ready. Well, that's just genuine power. They've got to smile.
He wasn't scoring that runs.
No, but what a shot that is. What an incredible shot. Right up on our cameraman up there. Ball back, please. That has gone a long way.
And a helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant batting.
There it is. He's standing deep in the crease and then the helicopter shot.
Wow, that is an awesome shot to finish the over. 8 from it, 2 for 40.
He got 3 boundaries in the over. Surya Kumar Yadav at his very best. Wow.
Oh, great shot. A genuine white cat.
What? Did I see that shot that off these days off the fast bowlers? That was the genuine late cut. Shot that's still back.
Holy cow.
Oh, magnificent. One from the front foot, one from the back foot. It's a clinic. It is a batting clinic.
No matter how good a fielder you are, you're going to stop that.
Sweeps.
और इस बार ये हवाई फ्लिक है बॉस, स्टैंड्स में गेंद को पहुंचाया है।
Straight, head down, straight into the stand. Classic Guptill.
And it is sailing miles.
Again, the hand comes off the handle. But well, now he's got all of that as well. Rishabh Pant.
That's a magnificent shot. A bounce or two and into the fence. And I tell you what, Viv Richards, when he plays that hook shot,
That's beautifully into the gap.
Goes all the way, it's a beauty. He's a tremendous striker, the ball up into the first tier. Got it on the up.
Picked up the leg of that very early. Beautiful batting.
We've seen
Still need pace, don't you, for that to be effective? And he's fast enough. He's not fast enough to beat the middle of the bat that time. Brilliant from James Vince.
Now, how far has he gone? How far has he gone? Long enough! Oh, what an over this is!
Oh, good shot. That's a sweep shot. Played out of the rough, all the way along the ground. A beautifully executed sweep shot. This man plays every shot in the book.
Santoki again. Into the wind, but hit well enough. That was middled by Darren.